Hello and welcome back to Videos by DPF. Well, I finally did it. After much debate, I finally picked up a new HF rig for the shack, such as my shack is. And what one did I get? I'll show you right after this. Well, here it is. I picked up the Yaesu FTDX-1200. I'd been using the ICOM 7200, but was getting a little tired of constantly connecting and disconnecting it when I wanted to do portable work. So now I have this to stay at the ham shack all the time. I had compared many radios, and to my ears the FTDX-1200 just sounded the best, and the price that it was on sale for this week, I could not pass it up. According to the website, this radio is 14.4 inches wide, 4.5 inches tall, and about 12 inches deep. Weighs about 20 pounds, and it puts out 100 watts on FM, SSB, and CW, and 25 watts on AM. It does have a high-speed automatic antenna tuner built in. Now this uses LC switching. It has large capacity 100 channel memory, which will just make your tuning antennas much quicker after a while. And the display is about 4.3 inches wide. Let's fire this up for the first time. That's when the power's on. Okay, usually I leave this plastic stuff on, but this is horrid trying to look through, so. And there it is. Now, I will be putting one of the FFT1 board in it, and I'll do another video on how to do that. Here's a close-up of the front panel. These buttons that you see right here correspond with all these little, I don't know how easily you can read these. They correspond with each one of these. You have your antenna tuner right below the power. As you can see, the tuner is turned on. Turn it off. To use it, just push and hold for about a second. Off it goes. There's two places for a keyer. You can either plug it in the front here, or there is another plug-in area in the back of the radio. For these are the most commonly used menu settings. You can just hit select. Right now I have it set to where I can change the different meters. If you want to do Vox or DNR or any of the others, just hit menu. Correction. Just use the arrows. Turn it on. The back panel has a lot of the usual fanfare, obviously power, 2 antenna jacks, ground, different kinds of tuners, like if you're using the LDG YT-1200 for this one, hooking up a linear, doing data, RTTY stuff, external speaker. Here's the other plug for doing your keyer for CW. You got being able to do remote stuff, recording, if you're using a different kind of microphone like a Heil or some other company. And that's about it, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the area below, and please check out some of these other videos.